The history of computers is a fascinating journey that spans centuries, marked by significant innovations and developments and technology. Here is a brief overview of key milestones of history of computers. Our first computer was the abacus on 3000 BC. The abacus was often considered the first mechanical calculating device, and it was used by ancient civilizations such as the Chinese and Egyptians for basic arithmetic calculations. Ang abacus kuno was often considered sadya ang pinakaunang mechanical calculating device. Ang ganito no, kasagaran ko nang gigamit sa mga ancient civilizations, which is ang katong mga Chinese or Egyptians para sa basic arithmetic calculations. Our second computer was Antikythera mechanism on 100 to 150 BC, an ancient Greek device used for astronomical calculations and often called the world's first analog computer. So, ang Antikythera sa kinisdya ka ancient Greek device gigamit para sa astronomical calculations and often gitawag nga world's first analog computer. The third one is the mechanical calculators. 17th century. Several inventors including Blaise Pascal and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz created mechanical calculators that could perform arithmetic calculations. This device laid the groundwork for more complex calculating machines. So, ang mechanical calculators several inventors including Blaise Pascal, Gottfried, and Wilhelm, naghimo ko na sila ang mechanical calculators nga maka-perform ang arithmetic calculations. Ang kanito mga device naglay sa groundwork para sa mas daghang complex calculating machines. The fourth one is the analytical engine. In 1833, ang kanito na designed by Charles Babbage. The analytical engine was the theoretical, mechanical, general-purpose computers that featured an ELU, arithmetic logic unit, and punch cards for programming the Lovelace, often considered the world's first computer programmer, wrote programs for it. So, ang kanito ng analytical engine, na-design ko ni Charles Babbage. The analytical engine was theoretical lagi ko nun. Ang ganito ng ELU was arithmetic logic unit o punch cards ko para sa programming as a tabulating machine. On late 19th and early 20th century, Hermann Hollerett's tabulating machines used for processing data from the 1890s. United States Census were a precursor modern computers. This technology eventually led to the formation of IBM. United States Census diri ang precursor para modern computers. Ang kanito mga technology eventually nag-lead siya sa formation of IBM.
First electronic computer in 1930s, the advent of electronic computers began with machines, the Antonov-Berry computer, also known as ABC. The German G3, which is vacuum tubes for calculation. So, pagabot sa electronic computer is nagsugo ni siya in 1930s, which is na-develop siya sa mga sa primero ni diyang electronic. Kini nga electronic is usa ni siya ka computer na arang ka significant kay tungod sa gi-represent ni siya sa shift gikan sa mechanical computing devices. O kini tuod nga electronic is kaan siya is masaligan ni siya o karang nga paspas balik. ENIAC in 1945. The ENIAC are also known as Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer was the first fully electronic general-purpose computer. It used thousands of vacuums, tubes, and was used for scientific and military applications. So, ENIAC was also known as Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer was the first fully in electronic. So, kini siya ko ni pinakaon na nga electronic nga kanang pinaka puno nga electronic sa general purpose sa computer. O dagan siya nagamit nga thousands ng mga vacuum tubes o kini siya is karon mo siya magamit sa scientific o military na application. Stored program computer in 1940s. The consist of stored program computer were both data and instructions called the stored in memory was developed during this period. The Manchester Mark I and the INSAP were early examples. So, kini nga stored program computer is nagsugod ni siya in 1940s, UNIVAC in 1951. Or UNIVAC, known as the Universal Automatic Computer, was one of the first commercially produced computers and was used for a variety of purposes, including business and scientific applications. So UNIVAC is the known as Universal Automatic Computer and nagsugod ni siya in 1951 ug na-complete siya in 1951. O kini siya is una pud ni siya sa commercially nga na-produce sa computers o na paano siya nagamit siya sa mga purposes including sa mga business na scientific na application. Number 10, transistors. In the 1950s, the invention of the transistor by Bell Labs in the 1950s revolution computing by replacing vacuum tubes, making computers smaller, more reliable, and less power hungry. So, these transistors began in 1950s. Kini nga transistors is invention is gikan ni Bell Labs sa 1950s nga revolution nga mga computer nga mga devices. So kini siya is na-replace siya sa vacuum tubes. Pwede po ni siya maghimo sa mga computer nga mga kaning agmay o kini po siya nga kaning transistors is ara po ni siya kamasaligan of this power hungry.
Restored memory was developed during this period. The Manchester Mark I and INSAP were early examples.
The World Wide Wide, 1990s, the invention of the World Wide Wide by Tim Berners-Lee in 1981.
And mobile computing 2000. The introduction of a smartphone such as the iPhone in 2007 brought computing power and connectivity to people's pocket, transforming how we communicate and access information. Nagrepresenta na siya sa mga smartphone sama sa iPhone sa una 2007. Nani siya ability nga pwede sila makakuan og mga information makapasa sa laing tao sa kakasada information mga sila.
Graphical User Interfaces 1980s. The introduction of graphical user interfaces (GUIs) by components like Apple and Microsoft made computers more user-friendly and accessible to a broader audience.
Yes, we dance